Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I got me a iWALK battery packs right here. This one comes with 4 batteries and a base station to charge all of this in. It's it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's a very I would say 2024 type of deal to be doing this because guys, I use a ton of battery packs for my phones. I have kids, so they always grab one as they're leaving the house, and for some odd reason, they always lose them. Anyway, I'm so glad that they're doing this whole like docking station type of deal. Ooh, nice. Look at this. Is this meant to be like a travel pack or something? Wow, it's very nice packaging. Okay, so you got this base station right here, which is like weighted, by the way. It's very heavy. Then you got 4 battery packs in here. I'm not sure if this is meant to be like, I guess, well, these are meant to be travel, but I'm not sure if the base station is meant to be travel, but I guess I could take this on my trip. See, this is so small. All right, let's see. So yeah, really nice case, by the way. Thank you, iWALK. By the way, I did pay this with my own money, so they did not sponsor this video at all. Okay, so anyway, here it is, USB-C, especially if you have the newer phones, USB-C phones. And then you got, oh, okay, lightning right here. So it looks like it comes with 2 lightnings and also 2 USB-C. That's very interesting that they've done that. The other thing is a USB-C cord to charge the base station up. So the first question that I had in my head was, can I just charge this without using the base station? It looks like I can. So check this out right here. So that right there goes to the base station, right? And then on the other side is USB-C. So yes, you can do that. You can just plug USB-C into it and it will charge. Oh, okay, so you just place it on there. I mean, I hear the little click. I hear a little click. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, so you see how it's flickering right there. All right, and then this is green right here. Oh, okay, you see there's like 4 indicator right here. Tells you 4 batteries on the status of those. Okay, pretty nice. Very 2024-ish. So if you use tons of batteries, you know what's up with this. Anyway, guys, that's it for me right there. I'm out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.